Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your client files using Egnyte, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your client files using Egnyte, start by logging into your Egnyte account. Enter your username and password in the login fields. Click the login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Files section on the left side of the screen. Locate the folder that contains your client files. Click on the folder to open it and view the individual files. Select the files you wish to back up by clicking the checkbox next to each file. If you want to back up the entire folder, click the checkbox next to the folder name. Once your files are selected, look for the More Actions drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click on the More Actions menu to reveal additional options. Choose Download from the drop-down options. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the download. Click Confirm to begin downloading the selected files to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the files in your computer's Downloads folder. To ensure safety, consider creating a designated backup folder on your computer. Move the downloaded files from your Downloads folder to your backup folder. If you prefer cloud storage as a backup, log into your preferred cloud service. Upload the client files from your backup folder to your chosen cloud service. Check that the files have uploaded successfully by navigating to their location in the cloud service. Make a note to regularly back up your files to keep your data safe. To automate future backups, explore Egnyte's backup features in the settings. Consider setting up automatic backups to streamline your workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your client files using Egnyte. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.